Welcome back. Today is December 13th, and on this post, I'll be telling you about Uniswap, UNIUSD, see what has changed since my yesterday's post. Today, I'll be giving you my bullish and bearish case scenario, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're now giving away 4 free stocks instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence for trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what's going on with Uniswap, UniUSD. Since yesterday, we have talked, but let's get to the overall market conditions really quickly, because that could affect how altcoin price actions react. Now, I do see Bitcoin dominance confirming to actually trend upwards, and it's more likely to now because it has closed on top of the daily 50 simple moving average, which was what I was saying about it being the immediate resistance, as well as the weekly simple 50 moving average, which closes within about 2 hours. If the candle closes above that weekly 50 simple moving average, a lot more likely now that Bitcoin dominance will continue trending upwards. So that is something to be watching out for in altcoin positions. Bitcoin price action, I don't expect a pullback until at least above 20K. I do think it's about 20.5K, approximately there, but I don't think there is a reason to panic for any Bitcoin price action pullback yet. But, well, I might very well be wrong, so we'll see if that happens or not. But that is my prediction right now. Let's take a look into Uniswap, USD, and see what has exactly gone on since yesterday. Yesterday, I did mention that on the 12-hour, most apparently, I spotted an inverse head and shoulders pattern, and I personally have opened a position at about the $3.15 level, because it did look like an inverse head and shoulders pattern, which is a bullish reversal pattern. Now, it is looking a lot more likely that this pattern is forming, even though yesterday when I did a post that it was only half the pattern that has actually formed. So yesterday I did also mention that the immediate resistances to be looking out for was the 4-hour 21 simple moving average and the 6-hour simple moving averages. Now that the price action has actually gone on top of these moving averages, that is further confirmation for my prediction. Now let's take a look into some of the immediate resistances that the price action is looking to get over, which is the 50 simple moving average on the daily time frame. If we get a close here, that is a good sign that this may continue to reverse upwards, as well as the 12-hour 21 and 50 as well. So quite a bit. I do see that the $4 level is still going to be the main resistance here, because these are still going to be the fib levels, which tells me would be support and resistances depending which way the price action is heading. So this is probably where I will be looking to actually take profit from my position, and I will have a pretty tight stop loss trailing the price action, just in case if the price comes back against me at any time, which could happen at any time in the crypto market. Now, let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. The bullish case scenario would be if we actually continue upwards, of course. So the next level of resistance, like I said, would be the 12-hour 21 simple moving average, very immediate resistance. Closing above this 50 daily would be a good sign, because this tells me once we get once price action gets above it, support would be that would become the supports. So these are going to be the immediate levels of resistances I'll be looking for the price action to get back over, and that'll be further confirmation that there is an inverse head and shoulders pattern building. Now let's dive right into the bearish case scenario. Now let me add to the bullish case scenario, okay, because I do think that it's going to take another swing before Uniswap actually breaks out of this $4 level, okay? Even though we had some daily candle closes, but immediately it just came right back down. I don't think we had any 3-day closes above this $4 level yet, so not until we actually get, I actually see price action get candle closes across all time frames, again, I would be less convinced that we are establishing ourselves above the $4 level. So the $4 level is still going to be resistance for me, and that's probably when I'm looking to take my profits. And let's come over to the bearish case scenario. The bearish case scenario, if we actually start breaking down the support that the price action has already built, that is a bad sign because past support now becomes resistance. And this tells me that the price action, if it actually breaks some of these supports that has just gone back on top on, that this price action may not be forming an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Or it could be taking another swing low and build a lower head before coming back upwards, in which case I don't want to be a part of. Now, this is my very short analysis of Uniswap today. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. Hope you guys manage your risk carefully. And if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.